How do I block someone in a group chat without leaving the chat?
Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss a very essential topic that is quite relevant in today's digital world. That is, how to block someone in a group chat without leaving the chat. Blocking someone may be necessary for various reasons like avoiding spam or safeguarding personal boundaries, and this video is aimed to help you navigate these tasks easily.
What does it mean to block someone?
Before we get into the steps, let's understand what it means to block someone. Blocking a person means preventing them from contacting you or seeing your activities. In the context of group chats, you might still be in the same group, but you won't receive their messages, and they won't see your messages either.
Is it possible to block someone in all group chats?
Unfortunately, the ability to block someone in a group chat varies depending on the platform. Some platforms allow it, while others don't. Some popular platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Discord have different mechanisms, and it's crucial to understand that the steps we discuss may not apply to all of them.
Generic steps to block someone in a group chat.
Now, let's discuss the generic steps you can follow to block someone in a group chat. 1. Navigate to the group chat. First, open the app and navigate to the group chat where the person you want to block is a member. 2. Find the person's profile. You need to find the person's profile. This is usually done by clicking on the list of members or participants in the group. 3. Go to their profile. Once you find their name, click on it. This will usually take you to their profile or give you more options. 4. Block the person. There should be an option to block the person in their profile or in the extra options. Click that. Please remember, these are generic steps and the specific actions may vary based on the app you're using.
Unblocking a person.
In case you decide to unblock someone, you would typically follow the same steps as blocking. Instead of finding a block option, you'd look for an unblock option in their profile. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you on how to block someone in a group chat without leaving the chat. Remember, maintaining your digital comfort and safety is paramount, and these steps will assist you in doing just that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.